Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a real quick video. This is something that I never really thought of. I just posted a video on TikTok and it had that artificial plastic Easter grass in the video, and someone commented that their cat almost died because it ate it. So I'm going to show you a good alternative for that. You're either going to need a paper shredder. If you don't have one at home like I do, you might have one at your office, or you might have something like a paper cutter like this. You can do it either way, and the thickness is up to you if you use a paper cutter, or if you don't have that, just use a pair of scissors. But this is a good alternative, and actually I think it looks nicer than the cheapy plastic, but it is safer for your pets if they eat it. I mean, it's paper, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like. And I think for this project I'm going to use yellow. Okay, but basically all you have to do, feed it through. I just bought some at the dollar store, so they do have a paper alternative, but basically it just shreds it like that. But that's the idea. So you can either do it that way, it looks really cute, or you can take a paper cutter and just slice it in equal amounts using the guide. And then you'd end up with strips like this. And then if you don't like them perfectly like that, what you can do is take each one and kind of crinkle it up and put it in the basket that way. I'm currently working on another video where I'm making these little peeps out of styrofoam. So to display them, I'm going to take one of my Longaberger baskets, put styrofoam in it, because I'm going to put those peeps on. Oh, that fits perfectly. I'm going to put those peeps on long sticks, dowel rods, and then stick them in here. But I pictured having grass like all around here. So for this video, I will do a closing shot of that. I hope that's helpful. This is a nice way to recycle. You could use anything, any kind of paper. You could get really creative with it. So I hope that's helpful. I know I certainly didn't think of, I have 2 cats, and I'm sure dogs love to chew everything too. So this is a safe alternative if you want to have a pet-friendly house and environmentally friendly. So until next time, take care.